Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox audio video capture device, EasyCap device that will be useful for those who have laptops and computers, so you can watch all TV channels directly from your set-top box to your computer or laptop. So you will see the impressions of this device, and let us open and see. I have ordered this on Amazon and I got it after 5 days. This is called as EasyCap, Easy Capture audio video device. So you can see it is the MRP cost is around 999 rupees, but I got it on some discount. I got it for 699 rupees. They have given some information about the device and you can have look at it and see. You can see the ports. USB 2.0 port is compulsory that we attach to the computer or laptop, and they have given some system requirements. So it is compatible with 2.4 USB port, and it also works with Microsoft Windows XP or Windows 7, 8, 10, anything. It also works on Mac. Everything is okay. The device looks very nice. It looks very small, tiny, and we can take it to anywhere. It's no burden at all. And we will just open and see what all things inside the package. As we have already seen, this is how it looks. We have 3 cables, audio video cables. Altogether 4 are there. S port that is not necessary actually, but if it is needed we can keep. And other side just simply like it looks like internet modem. Very simple, and there is no weight also, not so much weight for this. And you can connect these 3, that red, white, yellow, to this audio video cables of your setup box. You can watch all the channels directly from your setup box to your computer or laptop. These are used for audio. Always red and white are used for audio cables. They have given a light also, and simple. Other side it is USB port, and the other side it is just cables are there. And you can see the picture, laptop picture is given where it is attached, and where you can watch the TV channels. And they give the information about what format it supports, and the CD-ROM they have given. In that software will be there, we can install it. And this device works with the software, not just we connect and we watch the TV, but we have to install the software in it, then only it works. Those who know how to install a software can install it. It doesn't need much space also. It needs around 700 MB or something like that. They have given the process how to install along with the help of the pictures. Step by step they have given installation process, keeping the port where to keep, and how to copy the setup file, software file, and after copying how to go forward, how to do the installation process and everything. And there is something like changing the settings, and also product key. If the software has to work nicely, you have to keep that product key with you, and that will be available in the CD they have provided. All these are nice. And you can change the settings also if you want to capture the video and record the video, and you can see afterwards. That is also available in this device. It also works on Mac, Apple. So far I found this device, it looks very nice actually. No weight, nothing at all. Just you can watch all the channels freely, anytime, anywhere, if you have the setup box with you. At home it is always possible just to connect the cables and watch. And I am downloading the software now. I don't have CD-ROM, so I downloaded the software from internet and download, and you extract the RAR file, and the setup file is there. After extracting, you can just open it, and there is a first option. Go to that, install. And installation process, as you know, it makes or it will take some time, but anyway we will wait, and I will fast forward the video. Just choose the destination file of the program and just click install. Yes, of course it is taking longer. Yeah, installation is being done. Accept the agreements and terms and click on install, and here it shows the first option, accessibility, and you should not change any other options. Just go with that, accessibility. And yes, it is taking longer. This is the last step of installation, I think. Yes, it is being installed to my computer, and after installing we will just see how it works actually. What is the picture quality and what is the audio quality and what all the settings are there. Everything we will have a look. And yes, it is done, but it is taking a bit time. Yes, it's done already completely. It is there, you can see on the PC desktop or screen, TVR 2.5. So by this time what I did was I already connected the cables, and now I can see ETV Telugu channel on my computer with the device. Just I connected set-top box and opened the software. Automatically it detects the video, it captures. So just connecting the cables is just enough, and open the software and you can see the picture. But I found the picture quality is very less, and you can also go to the settings to change the picture quality if you need. But mostly, like if you are watching alone, this clarity is more than enough, because this clarity will never change. It is always like that, and it will not cost you anything. No internet, nothing. Just D2H recharge is enough, and you can watch. HD quality might be available. I don't know what problem it is, but I am not getting the clarity, nice clarity I'm not getting. But yeah, you can change the channels and everything and watch it on your computer. So this will be helpful for those who want to watch TV channels on your computer. So if you want to watch online, it takes a lot of data, and sometimes we don't get proper signal, and buffering will be there. But using this device, mostly you will not get any kind of that difficulties. You can watch everything in a flow. I have not changed the settings, but later I will change the settings and see how it works. But first impression I got, the device is very nice, and I'm getting the channels and audio. You can connect to your home theater or any speakers. Just video can be connected to this. See, this is how you can watch TV channels freely on your computer. Just purchase this device. It costs around 600 or 700, maybe 6 to 800. You can purchase it on Amazon if you need it. But as per this cost, this device looks very nice and it works good. Thank you for watching.